What up, Facebook family? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? It's your man Danny signing in for the latest edition of Forex Trading with Danny. This Monday, March 21st, 2022. Hope everybody had a good start to the week. Though down here in Dallas, it's been raining and storming and stuff. It got kind of crazy out here for a moment, but weather has passed since. I'm grateful to be safe. I was traveling, but made it home safe, and I hope everybody out there who might have been in that weather, you all made it safe as well. Yeah, man. We're gonna keep it going, man. This is been doing this since last week. I hope anybody who might come across this and have watched this might have gotten something out of it, might have learned something. But basically just looking to share my charts with you all, so you all can see what I'm looking at. Forex is definitely one of my passions. I'm pursuing to be a professional trader someday soon, but only time will tell. But in the meantime, basically, journaling my journey towards that road to being a professional trader, and find it, valuable and beneficial because I can hold myself accountable, and you guys can kind of pick up on some things, and we kind of learn and grow together. But definitely Forex is a great avenue for investing. If you might have some side money, or you have a little capital you can play with, it's definitely a great avenue for you to invest some funds in and grow it. A lot of millionaires are made, billionaires are made, but very lucrative market, very volatile. We're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar a day industry. But I must give this disclaimer that when it comes to Forex, there is a risk of loss. There is a risk of loss. The markets move really volatile, and you must know what you're doing. You must, do your due diligence for sure, in order to give yourself the best odds to have the market sway in your favor, so you can turn out to be profitable at the end of the day. So yeah, any past performances, any past action or successes don't predict future wins or profits or nothing like that. So you must do your due diligence. So without further ado, we're going to take a look at the charts, and we're going to kind of see what it's doing right now, kind of look ahead to see what it could possibly do in the future, and go from there. So let me share my screen with you all. All right. So I've been in this trade since, I think it was Friday. I got into it. The 18th. Yeah, I got into it on Friday. And since it's just kind of trying to figure out what it's going to do. I got into it here. I was in a little profit there. I was in nearly 30 pips in profit at a point, though it shot up, but it held. Again, I had pointed out around this price right here, maybe a little lower. I might have had the line, but I've lifted it because it's looking like it's more so respecting this price more. So it got close to that price there, and it rejected and came on down. So that kind of gave me some confidence to stay in the trade, because initially I thought to cut my loss here, with it going the opposite of my strategy. But then, I'm like, hey, it's not that far from my stop loss. I might as well let it ride, and especially with this strong price here, price has been rejecting at that price. So I was like, okay, I'll just hold on, and it worked out for me. So it rejected. It got below this moving average. though it did try to test it again. So it went against my strategy again, and at the same time, I kind of continued. I stayed fast on that mentality to just kind of hang in there, hold on tight, because price continues to reject at this particular price right here, and lo and behold, me holding out, being patient, and not getting scared, and the trade is working out in my favor. So it closed again below the moving average, and it has gotten me back into profit slightly, but it's kind of rejecting. But if it can get under this price here, I'll be very confident that this trade can definitely go down. So if it can get below this price here and close and continue on, I will definitely be confident to hang on in here. Um, but only time will tell, and we'll definitely have to see how it goes. But one or two things can happen. It can close under this price and continue to go down, and then if so, I'll be looking to take my profit down here. I will be looking to let me see, that's about about 140 pips for any of you all who might know what that means. That's a nice win right there. All right, so I'm gonna be looking to take it down about 140 pips. I think I'm doing some pretty good risk management, because I'm only risking about, so it's a 2-to-1. I'm risking about 70 pips, but I'm going for about 140 on this trade. So something else that I would be looking to do if it continues to go down is, as it gets into a substantial amount of profit, I'm going to bring my stop loss into profit so that I cannot lose. So that's something that I'm going to be looking to do as well. So price can either go down, something else that it could do, it come back up and do the same action right here. It can get back above this moving average, test this moving average here, and either shoot up or come back down. So there's some things, it's quite a few things that the market can do, but that's why we watch. That's why, again, I give the disclaimer of risk of loss, because we're talking about a live market that moves according to real time news action. So again, the market can move because of a natural disaster, war, something happens in the economy, if they raise the interest rates, if they lower them, any kind of maybe change of governments and stuff like that. So we're talking about real time action that's going on, which is exciting, and that's why I'm so intrigued and I'm passionate to conquer Forex and get to a point where I can become a professional trader for myself and things of that nature. So that's what we're looking for to do. I'm ultimately looking for it to come on and shoot down, get down, hit my take profit. That'll be a great win for me, and that will help for me to continue to grow my account. But at the same time, price can come back up, play around, or it could change directions altogether. So we'll have to see. So hopefully you guys will tune in tomorrow, and I'll have another update for you, and you might see whether which direction it went, and but hopefully I'll be in profit by then. But until then, that's all I got for today, guys. This has been another edition of Forex Trading with Danny. God willing, I'll be back on tomorrow to kind of give you all an update, and so you all can kind of see, gauge the progress of my process, and we'll see where we're at. But I hope you all have a great evening out there, or a great day, depending on where you all might be watching from. But you guys take care, and God willing, see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.